Okay, so we're in the village of Llanfrothen and we're in shop Garreg, which is a community shop and cafe run by me and my two brothers.
Fi di'r prif cogydd yma ar hyn bryd. Dwi'n gwneud pethau arall ymlith hynny, ond peth fwyaf dwi'n gwneud ydi coginio. Mae yna amryw o bobl yn dod i mewn yma, felly mae rhaid i ni wneud amrywiaeth o fwyd rwy'n ni. Felly gen ni o pethau reit syml brecwast, felly gen ni pethau brecwast traddodiadol, a wedyn da ni'n gwneud pethau gyflym take-away, achos mae lot o weithwyr yma. Ni'n ceisio wneud lot o pethau go fresh, salads fresh, neu falafel o falle, a trio gwneud popeth cartra.
Brought up in a very foodie household. Mum was a chef, my grandma was a chef as well, so we're all cooking from a young age, fighting over who could help out with dinner. And then Finn probably has the more professional cooking background, so he worked in some very high-end restaurants in London, mainly doing their coffee, so we're very proud of the coffee here. But he was also always in the kitchen and learning from the chefs as well. Since then he's ran the bakery at Tegwen and also been a chef there as well. I've done a little bit of chefing down in Bristol, also run my own catering company as well. But my background is more NGOs, marketing communications and that kind of thing. So Finn's definitely head of the kitchen and then I kind of handle the other stuff. And the third brother, Steff, he has a family, he's got kids and he has another job as well. So he does all the bookkeeping, all the boring stuff that if he didn't do it then we probably wouldn't be able to run as a business. So we're very grateful for his role as well. We try and use local suppliers where possible. So we get our fruit and veg from DJ Fruits, which is Panad, and yeah, we use local suppliers wherever we can. We use Tegwen meats, which are based up in Anglesey, and we get all our meat from them, so it's Welsh local meat.
Wel, ar ôl y brodyr, mae yna dau sy'n gweithio yma llawn amser, sy'n cool bod ni'n gallu, pobl yn gallu byw o gweithio yma.
It is bucking the trend because a lot of village shops are closing. It's hard to compete with the supermarkets and things like that, but actually we thought that a village shop is a really important resource for the community.
Oedd y siop di cau am 10 mis rhywbeth, a nath o'n neud wahaniaeth go wael i'r gymuned. Os mae yna pub ar wahân i'w yma, a os da chi yn mynd i'r pub, fel does na lot yn mynd, sa'n really hwb i pobl cyfarfod. Felly mae'n hynod o bwysig hwnna. A da ni wedi gweld hwnna lot fawr hyd yn hyn. Mae cyn gymaint o bobl sy'n ddod i mewn a cyfarfod fel arall, so beth yn cyfarfod wedi.
From friends, strangers, local businesses and everything, we wouldn't have been able to open up without them. So it's very much owned by the community as well. We'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who's built the tables here, helped to build the counters, helped to paint, helped to organise the garden, everything. So thank you very much for that.